Hi everybody, it's Ginny here from Webbers and welcome to Piggies and Foxes. Situated on the edge of Dolverton, this beautiful 4-bedroom cottage is immaculately presented throughout and has the added benefit of its own courtyard garden and parking. So if you'd like to find out more, then please don't hesitate to contact us.